Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'm sitting next to 10 kg oranges and some pomegranate. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some yummy orange juice with a new twist. So watch till the end. First, we're going to take some oranges and peel them off. Now, I have peeled some oranges. I'm going to extract some juice from these yummy oranges. Look at the juice coming out of it. And our waste is going in our basket. Now our glass is almost full. Now let's take it out in our juice jar. Look at this beauty. Now, time for the twist. We're gonna peel this pomegranate. Now the pomegranate is peeled, and we're gonna extract some juice of this too. Let's get started. Look at the pomegranate waste. Now we extracted the juice of the pomegranate, and we're gonna mix it with our orange juice. Look at its color. Ain't looking delicious? Now we're gonna add a little bit of black salt in it. Now I'm gonna taste this. Better than ever. Really yummy. Guys, give us a big fat thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Cheers!